Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best blenders for 2026, best high-speed blenders for smoothies and shakes. Whether you're a smoothie lover chasing silky textures, a health enthusiast blending greens and frozen fruits, or someone who wants an all-in-one tool for shakes, soups, and meal prep, we've handpicked the top blenders that deliver power, precision, and versatility, all designed to make your kitchen smoother. We'll break down each blender's key features like motor wattage, jar capacity, blade technology, and ease of cleaning, so you can find the perfect machine for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in and discover your ultimate blender. Starting at number 5 is the Bear Countertop Blender. Bear is gaining attention for offering compact yet capable appliances geared toward everyday smoothie and shake lovers. This model is ideal for users who want strong performance without the bulk of commercial-style machines. It features a 700-watt motor, a 40-ounce capacity jar, and 3 speed settings plus a pulse function for flexibility. The jar is BPA-free and designed for batching smoothies or prepping frozen drinks. Users praise its efficiency, compact footprint, and value for the price. On the flip side, its motor is modest compared to pro-tier machines, and the build feels more budget than premium. Next up at number 4 is the Geniza Smoothie Blender. Geniza focuses on value-driven high-speed blenders designed for smoothie fans and small households. This model cranks out 900 watts of power, includes multiple attachments, such as a 24 ounces portable cup, a 10-ounce grinder cup, and additional lids, and features a 6-blade stainless steel system that handles frozen fruit, nuts, and leafy greens. Its 1.9-liter jar capacity gives decent batch size, and the accessories make it versatile beyond just smoothies. Users appreciate the all-in-one kit value, the solid blending performance, and the extra accessories. However, some trade-offs include fewer speed options, a modest warranty, and less premium build quality compared to high-end brands. Coming in at number 3 is the NutriBullet NB91301K Pro Blender. NutriBullet is a well-known name in personal and compact household blenders, offering solid performance and brand trust. The NB9-1301K Pro model boasts 900 watts of power and is engineered for daily smoothies, protein shakes, and light food prep. Its simple twist and blend mechanism makes it incredibly user-friendly. Just load ingredients, twist on the cup, and blend. It excels in small batch blending scenarios, especially for singles or couples. Some buyers highlight how effectively it breaks down fibrous greens and frozen ingredients. On the downside, its capacity is smaller than full-size countertop machines, and it's less suited to large batches or heavy-duty blending tasks. At number 2, we have the Black Plus Decker Power Crush Multifunction Blender. Black Plus Decker is a household name in kitchen appliances, and the Power Crush delivers strong capability at a mid-price tier. The key specs include a 700-watt peak motor, a 6-cup, 48 ounces, glass jar, and the brand's 4-tip Quad Pro blade technology for efficient vortex action and smooth blending. It offers 4 speed settings plus pulse, a hinged lid with pour spout for easy serving, and dishwasher-safe parts for cleanup convenience. Users appreciate its balance of power, versatility, and ease of maintenance. It may lack the ultra-high wattage and premium finishes of elite models, but for everyday smoothie making, crushed ice cocktails, soup prep, and frozen fruit batches, this is a dependable pick. Finally, at number 1 is the NutriBullet Personal Blender. Topping our list is this personal blender powerhouse from NutriBullet. While many personal machines trade power for convenience, this one strikes a remarkable balance. Offering a 600-watt motor, with higher output variants available, stainless steel emulsifying blades, and compact yet capable cups, around 24 ounces, it's engineered for fast, single-serve smoothies, shakes, and nutrient extraction. The design is intuitive. Twist the cup onto the base, blend, and drink. No transferring jars. Users highlight its speed, excellent blend texture, and minimalist footprint. Its main limitation is capacity. It's designed for 1 or 2 servings, not big batches. And that wraps up our top 5 best blenders for 2026. The best high-speed blenders for smoothies and shakes. From the compact yet powerful Bear Countertop model, through the accessory-rich Geniza, the trusted and efficient NutriBullet Pro, the versatile Black Plus Decker Power Crush, and culminating in the top-tier NutriBullet Personal Blender. There's a machine here for every user, kitchen size, and budget. Which one will you choose to upgrade your blending game? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And be sure to check the description for the latest deals so you can grab the perfect blender for your needs today. Thanks for watching.